Hello and welcome to another Pulse tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to configure conditions bundles. So what I mean by that is when you go to generate your loan officer conditions on a given file and you hit this add conditions button right here and we hit create LO conditions, we create that initial bundle and we select our loan purpose and employment type. So in this case we have a purchase W-2 and I hit next here. We have 10 preloaded conditions that get added to this bundle that we can add to the file and request them from a borrower based on the purpose and employment type. So if I wanted to edit the conditions that appear for that purpose and employment type from my home screen here, I'm going to navigate to the app launcher on the top left side of the screen. And I'm going to search up loan condition. We'll find this loan condition references item right here. I'm just going to open that in a separate tab. And then I will navigate to my list view dropdown right here and go from recently viewed to all. Now you can do a couple different things from here. First being, if I wanted to look up all my conditions relating to a W-2, and I look at these borrower descriptions and I see that this one is relating to a W-2 from 2022, and I wanted to go in here and select that and edit that label. So the first thing I could do is go in, select this, edit the label, and type 2022. So now when I go to add that condition later on, I know what this one is just based on the label right here. Now, if I wanted to include a condition in those bundles there, so all I would have to do is, let's say I wanted to include one for, let's say, this flood insurance one right here. So there's a couple different fields here that we need to make sure are selected. So if I wanted this one to not appear for a purchase W-2, I can unselect purchase W-2, and I can select refinance, and let's just say we want to keep this as a W-2, and then just make sure that the condition category field right here, my apologies, it is not the condition category, it is the type right here. So we just have to make sure that initial submission is requested for the type or selected for the type right here. And now when I hit save and I navigate back to that loan file, and then I refresh this page, and keep in mind we just added that for a refinance W-2. So when I go to my loan officer conditions and I select add conditions, and I hit create loan officer conditions, once again hit that create initial bundle button. Let's just make sure we select refinance W-2 for our loan purpose and employment type. And now we can see that the flood insurance is required is appearing in that bundle. And if I hit next, I would receive all of those conditions in my loan officer conditions tab that are checked on the left side of the screen here. Now, one thing to keep in mind is if I were to have selected self-employed for my employment type right here, I would also have to edit the self-employment type field right here as well to include the self-employment type so that it appears in the corresponding bundle when I go and select my loan purpose and employment type in the bundles on the loan officer conditions tab. So that is how you configure the conditions bundles and how you edit the labels on those conditions if you wanted to do so. Thank you.